What's up? It's Dave at SpectrumDIY. I just wanted to share with you before I do anything further and end up breaking it. I've got all the switches installed, which was quite a bit of work. I had to take and desolder every one of the arcade switches from the knobs, extend those wires over to their respective switches, and then wire a return wire back over to the knobs. And that's all because the last time I soldered everything was just for a test. And so I wanted to make sure everything worked. By doing it that way, it allowed me to kind of get out any kind of bugs in the system. But if you will listen, and it does take a second, these are baseline or drum line, so it takes a second. Hold on. Oh, power supply is off. All right, so those are the drums, and the reason I turned them up, they're really slow. So, flip that switch. Huh? I love it. All right, thank you for stopping by. I just wanted to share that. It was part 2. VCOs across the top. So I'll have some. All right.